Hey everyone, welcome back to Megaverse Builds. Today we are back at Spotify Camp Nou with massive progress across the stadium, and concrete pouring is about to begin on one of the Lateral's diamond walls. Let's get straight into it. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Camp Nou updates. We're starting at the Lateral, where the diamond closest to north goal is now fully shored up and ready for its next concrete pour. Formwork panels are in place along the sides, and falsework supports have been added near the northern edge, a clear sign the pour is coming very soon. This diamond remains the most advanced of the three, with its angled roofline already taking clear shape. The central diamond has also made a major jump, with an extensive network of shoring beams and props now installed across its structure. This is the key step before formwork panels go in for the floor slabs, and crews have clearly been moving fast here over the past few days. The third diamond, closest to south goal, is still in its early stages, with only vertical rebar visible marking where the future pillars will rise. Nearby, a section of ground has already received a layer of waterproofing treatment, creating a distinct tiered appearance across the leveled terrain that will eventually be buried beneath utility piping. Now to the second biggest update. North goal and south goal continue advancing in near-perfect symmetry on the compression ring. Each side has added a new pillar, a matching radial beam, and a phalange box at the exact same pace, with falsework also installed in identical positions on both ends. From a distance, the ring now looks fully continuous in both directions, even though the connection point still sits ahead in Tribuna, where the next milestone beam will eventually join both halves together. At south goal specifically, a fresh batch of phalange boxes and radial beams has been staged on the ground nearby, giving crews enough material to keep building without delay. A nearby mobility core has also begun receiving its lower concrete slab panels as part of its covering process, while another core closer to Tribuna already has its louver support brackets fully installed between every pillar. Over at north goal, the diamond wall in this corner continues showing its angled roofline, with crews steadily working through scaffolding and structural detailing across the site. Ceramic louver progress on the access roofs in this section is now roughly halfway complete, with vertical louvers expected to follow soon. Tribuna is showing real movement too. Glazing material for the curtain wall system has been staged near one of the diamonds, along with the decorative gold trim pieces that wrap around the glass panels to hide the aluminum framing underneath. Scaffolding has gone up on one side of the future store diamond as well, suggesting exterior finishing work is about to begin on its concrete shell. Small surface voids visible on some concrete walls in this area are completely normal, marking where the pour entered the formwork, and will be hidden once final wall treatments go on. The second VIP ring now has its sandwich panel cladding fully installed around the exterior, giving the upper level a finished look from outside. Several mobility cores also have their louver support brackets fully installed between pillars, though no ceramic louvers have been placed in any core just yet. Crews continue applying paint treatments to structural beams throughout this level. So, to wrap up, the Lateral's lead diamond getting ready for its next concrete pour was today's biggest story. With north goal and south goal's perfectly synced compression ring, progress close behind. Tribuna's glazing and door frame deliveries also signal that finishing work is picking up pace across multiple zones. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Camp Nou construction coverage. There is still so much to come at this stadium. Thank you for watching, and as always, Visca el Barça.